lowest to the high. Maximum in the sky, maximum in the riddle. Here comes the riddle. Count the numbers up. Is it odd or is it even? Odd or even. If the data is odd, the median is breathing. Median is breathing. It's right there in the list. A real data point. Real data point. If the data is even, let and divide by 2. Divide by 2. It's not part of the original. It's a number brand new. Number brand new. Draw the box and whisker a little peek. If the mean is greater than Q2, pull to the right. To the right. That's positively skewed. Stepping in the light. If the mean is less than Q2, changing up the pace. Changing up the pace. Negatively skewed, shifting the box. Which side is long? The box. Which side is longer? That's how it talks. How it talks. If Q3 minus Q2 is a much longer ride. If Q3 minus Q2 is a much longer ride. Positively skewed, right whisker stretching wide. Minimum, min. Quarter 1, Q1. Median, Q2. Quarter 3, Q3. Maximum, max. Odd is in the data, even is between. Mean greater than median. Pull to the right, lock it in sharp.
And then Ito is going to be taking us through everything that we're going to be doing today. So far, guys, we've managed to determine the 5-number summary, determine outliers from grade 9, the average.
We'll be determining the 5-number summary. That's the first thing.
Okay.
We do know how to determine the 5-number summary.
Yeah.
Then do in the box of whisker diagrams.
We have a box and whisker, yeah.
A box and whisker diagram, determining the interquartile range.
So,
determining the range.
how to determine the range, yeah.
What is new for today is that we're going to be determining the mean of the data.
The mean, the average.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, guys, we decided to only focus on the ungrouped data. And starting from Monday, we are going to be doing the group data. So we decided to separate them, and then we'll combine a test that we're going to be doing on Wednesday when we finish with the group data. It's going to be one test. Huh?
Yeah.
And then it just said Monday we have something special for them. They should watch out.
Yeah. Visit our live on Monday.
On Monday, so there's something special.
Yeah.
All right, let's go to the question that we have today.
Okay, so then it says the maximum temperature in degrees Celsius at 20 tourist resort center were measured and recorded. The results were recorded in the table below.
So, how many sets of data do we have?
We have 2.
We have 2.
Yeah, I think it's a table. This thing.
It's a table, okay. It speaks about what is the first value. What I'm asking you, which
yeah, the maximum temperature in degrees Celsius at 20 tourist resort center were measured and recorded. The results were recorded. Hey,
highlight that part. I want you to highlight that part where it speaks about how many data sets do we have, so that next time when we speak about 5-number summary, we don't have to say is it odd or even, because we would have known what is our end.
Yep.
Go and check the understatement. What is it that they are saying? They are saying
they're saying the maximum temperature in degrees Celsius at 20 tourist.
At 20 tourist destination.
Yeah.
Highlight that keyword 20. So we're dealing with we are dealing with 20 different destinations.
Okay, dealing with 20 tourists.
Okay. Now we can then go and look at the data. What are we given in our data?
So we're given 22,
23,
24, 25, 26, 28, 29, 30, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Yeah.
Okay. So this is the set of data that we have. And then we can check now, is it in an ascending order?
Yeah, it's in an ascending order.
It's from the smallest to the biggest.
Yeah.
Okay. What is our first question then?
So our first question says, write down the median temperature measured.
Okay. Before we do that, let's just remind learners something here. There is something called the mode.
Yeah.
Before we calculate the mean, there's something called the mode. Kana, what is a mode, if you remember correctly?
Or a mode is something that repeats itself two 2 or more times.
The one, it's a data set that appears the most. No?
Yeah.
Whichever data set appears the most, we are going to call it our mode. And then we can have a situation whereby you can have more than one mode.
Yeah.
It's possible to do that. So I want us to look at this set of data and just remind them, what is this mode thing? Because it's 1 mark. It's every 1 mark. If you see a question that says calculate the mode.
Okay.
Looking at your data set.
So looking at our data set, we have a lot of things that repeats themselves.
Okay. So you have many modes here. No?
Yeah.
Now, in a true examination, that is why this question doesn't have a mode, is because there are so many of them. No?
Yeah.
In an exam question, they will give you a question whereby there will be one value that is going to be repeating itself. So, guys, just remember, a mode, it's a value that repeats itself the most in the set of data. No?
Yeah.
Whichever value that repeats itself the most. So it's not like, if let's say you have a value that's repeating itself 2 times, another one 3 times, another one 4 times. Like the one that repeats itself 4 times is going to be our mode.
Okay.
So the ones of 3 and 2 are not going to consider them. They are not the mode.
Yeah.
Okay. Now with that being said, let's go to our mean. Now for us to calculate the mean, there are many ways in which we can do it. Right?
Yeah.
There's a formula that we use to calculate the mean. The mean says which it's x bar. No?
X bar
It's going to be equal to
is equivalent to
the sum of all the x values all
sum
over n. Yeah.
of all
The x values.
x values
Yeah, all over n.
all over n.
Yeah. So this is the formula that we use to calculate the mean. Now for grade 10 learners, they need to know how to calculate the sum. How do they calculate the sum? They can say 23 plus 22, and so on and so on. They can just add all those different values and get the sum. But we're at the daily dose. Now we like using technology, So we're going to show them how to use technology so that they can get these values that they're looking for.
Yeah.
So
That means you're going to need our calculator then.
we're going to need a calculator.
Okay, let's go to our calculator.
Yeah, on the calculator.
Sure, here's our calculator then.
Yeah.
Today I decided to use a different calculator, not the one that Mr. says it's expensive.
Yeah, it's expensive, that one. And for grade 10, it's good. This is the one that they need to have. But as they move on, let them buy that expensive one. Because if you use that one, they don't steal it. Well, you can use it for even at university.
Okay. So then we're gonna press mode.
Yeah.
This one doesn't have a lot of things. We're gonna press that's option 2.
Which is option 2 now.
And then we do know what okay, this one it's grade 10 work. So the grade 10 work we're focusing on 1 minus 5.
Yeah, so it's the first one, yeah.
Yeah. So then we're gonna put all marking the values that we have more calculating here.
Sure.
So then we have 22
Yeah.
is equal to
Yeah.
we have 23
Sure.
which is equal to
Sharp.
we have 24
Yeah.
which is equal to
Yes.
we have 25
Yeah.
which is equal to
Yes.
we have 26 which is equal to
Yeah.
we have 28
Yeah.
which is equal to
Sure.
we have 29 which is equal to
Yeah.
we have 30
Yeah.
which is equal to
Yeah.
we have 32
Yeah.
which is equal to
Yeah.
32 again
Mm-hmm.
equal to
Mm-hmm.
33
Mm-hmm.
equal to
Yes.
then it's 34
Yeah.
equal to
Mm-hmm.
35
Yes.
equal to
Mm-hmm.
36
Sure.
equal to
Yes.
37
Yeah.
equal to 37
Mm-hmm.
equal to
A mode 37, yeah.
and then we have 38
Mm-hmm.
which is equal to 39 equal to
We're in Limpopo now.
the temperature is in Limpopo.
Yeah. Starting from 35, we're moving. These results are in Limpopo, this one.
How many tourists did I say we have?
Not tourists like these are places whereby they recorded the temperature. Like these are results whereby they just
They said 20. They said they should have 20.
yeah, well, how many did you get?
I have 19.
Yeah, it happened. So you need to try again. Or you can just go step by step and check which one did you miss. Someone just go from the top there.
Okay, so then I have 40,
Yeah,
39,
yeah,
38,
yeah,
37,
yeah.
37 again, 36, 35, 34, 33, 32,
32 again.
32,
Mm.
30,
Mm.
29.
Mm.
Okay, yeah, we have two 29s.
When I've put one.
Yeah.
So you need to start from here now. You can go, I'm sure, you can just say 29, leave that 29.
29, yeah.
You start to move from there, and then you put 29, and then you start to go down from there.
30, yeah.
And then now you just change all the others.
Yeah. 30, 32,
Yeah. 32.
32 again, 33, 34,
Yeah. 35.
35, 36, 37,
Yeah.
37 again,
37, yeah.
39.
Oh, 39. Okay.
Oh, it's 39. It's 38. It's 38. Sorry about that. 38, 39.
40.
Then it's 40 is the last one.
Yeah. So you have 20 now.
Yeah. I have
Now,
two.
guys, if you made a mistake, there's no shame in starting over again.
Yeah.
You can start on a new table. You just say, okay, stats again. You press stats again. You don't even have to care to calculate it. If you press stats again, it's going to allow you to put in new data.
Yeah.
And then you press 1 plus bar again, and then to key in the data again. Now, we're also going to show them how do they know which they put in the right values.
Yeah.
So we store the data, AC.
Say AC.
You store the data, guys, yeah. And then after storing the data, you are going to go to shift 1 again.
Shift 1.
Yeah, that's where we access our data.
Yeah.
So we have many options there. What is option number 1?
Option number 1 is
It says
type.
date. It says,
It's type.
yeah, number 2.
Option number 2 is data.
Data. So there's the type, and then there's the data.
Yeah.
Type, it says which one to use is 1 plus bar.
Yeah.
And then we have the data. The data, if you want to go and access your data, you can press data, and it will show you everything that you've put in there.
Yeah.
Okay. Number 3.
And then we have number 3, which is sum.
Yeah, so the sum we need we have this one for grade 10, they need to know the sum, because remember I told you with grade 10 they need to know what is the sum of x.
Yeah.
So if they want to get the sum, they need to access that one, but we'll press it up when we come back. Then we have 4.
We have 4. 4 is bar.
Okay, for us to get
Number 1, which is n. Number 2 is x bar. Number 3 is standard deviation, which is 6x. I don't know if 6x or 0x.
Okay, so now what is your n? We already know what is your n. I'm just trying to emphasize something here. Press AC now. It's fine.
AC.
Yeah, we know which our n. Remember, our formula has sum and n again.
Yeah.
So we know which on n we're going to put 21.
Yeah.
So now we're going to go and say x bar is going to be equal to, and let's go to the calculator now.
Okay, the calculator, yeah.
Yeah, shift 1 again.
Shift 1, yeah.
We're going to create, we're going to choose option 3 because we want the sum.
Option 3.
Yeah.
Option 3 is x, okay.
Summation,
Sum of x squared and sum of x.
Yeah, so now we want the sum of x. We don't want the sum of x squared, which is option number 1, number 2.
Number 2.
Yeah. So what do you get there?
Okay, let me go back to my notebook.
What is the answer?
The answer, okay, it's Kamarkin. Sum of x,
Yeah.
not x squared,
Sum of x, yeah.
is 629.
It's 629 all over 20. So
Yeah.
I'm going to write 629 all over 20. Then we will give you 1 mark for that. This thing is 2 marks. 620. You said 629
Yeah, 629
all over 20.
all over 20.
Okay.
Okay, we have 600 and... Is it 29 or 92?
Go and check. Just double check.
Because I wrote 92 because I know myself. When it comes to those things, I don't disappoint. 629. Yeah, 629. Then I write 692.
600. Oh, you did it vice versa.
Yeah.
92.
I know myself. When it comes to those things, I'm very critical when it comes to not disappointing.
So it's 629, yeah.
Okay, so then we're gonna have our answer divided by 20.
Yeah, divided by 20, yeah. This is going to be equal to...
So then our answer is gonna be equivalent to 31.45.
It's 31.45. Does it make sense for temperature to have 0.45? Because those are the things that you also need to check.
Yeah, it makes sense.
Yeah. So remember, yesterday the examiner spoke about this thing here. If it has certain units, we need to include the units. Okay?
Yeah.
This one is an average in what? What would they gave us the unit? We're dealing with temperature. We're dealing with the average in what?
Degrees Celsius.
It's in degrees Celsius. So don't forget that one. Okay?
Yeah.
So we're trying to copy the right things that they are telling us which we should do.
Okay.
So So we have it in degrees Celsius.
Yeah.
Okay. Do we go to number 2 or we go to the senior mark? What do you think?
This one has used our senior as 1 mark. Let's just go to number 2.
Let's go to number 2. Okay, we're going to go to number 2. Yeah, number 2.
Okay, so then number 2 says,
Okay. So number 1 was the median.
yeah,
Okay. So the median, it's what we've been doing all along. So you can change this one. Just say this one is going to be 2.1. How is the numbering system? They said number 1 or they call it 2 point something. What did they say? 1.1.
they said 1.1 and then the other one is 1.1, 1.2.1.
Okay, so you have 1.1.1.
Yeah.
Okay, 1.1.1. We haven't calculated 1.1.1 again.
Yeah.
So now what we did, mind, was to calculate 1.1.2, if I understand you correctly.
Yeah.
So it's x with a bar. It's going to be equal to the sum all over n, which we got it as 629 all over 20, and then it gave us 31.25. So you should.
Yeah, I did it.
1.2.1.
Yeah, it's 1.2.1. We have 1.1, then we have 1.2.
Okay, this one now, the one that we're supposed to do of the median is what?
It's 1.1.
It's 1.1. Okay, so we're going to calculate the median, guys. Now, remember, we spoke about the median. Median, also known as AKA, if I don't want to call it a median, I can call it what?
Q2.
I can call it Q2. Now, looking at this set of data, is it big? Can we use that thing off top or bottom, or should we use the formula? Because remember, we spoke about it. If a learner starts to experience a large set of data, there's the simplest way to do it. But remember, the formula that we're using doesn't give you Q2. It gives you the position to get Q2.
Okay, yeah.
So how should we approach it? Use a formula to get the position, or should we just go straight there?
Let's use a formula.
You want us to use a formula?
Yeah, this one is huge.
It's a little bit. So the formula that we have, it says which the Q of Q2.
Q2.
Yeah. And then kind of the data that we have, is it odd or even?
It's even.
It's even. So do you expect the median to be part of the data or not part of the data?
Not part of the data.
So it's going to be part of the data. So you say you want to try to use the formula then.
Yeah.
So I'm going to say Q2, meaning with the position of Q2.
Yeah.
So it's Q2, and then on top we just say to say this is the position. Then this is going to be given by
20.
Yeah, it's 20 plus 1.
1.
Then you're going to get 10.5.
10.5.
Yeah, it makes sense. Which is this thing here is going to be between position number 10 and position number 11. When they say 10.5, they're telling me with the median here is going to be in between these two values.
Yeah.
It's going to be between the one who's positioned in number 10 and the person who's positioned in number 11. Now, what you need to do is to go and count, man, and say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And when you go to 10, you highlight it.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yeah, and then highlight 10.
Okay, let me highlight 10.
Yeah.
With the highlighter.
Yeah.
Okay, yes,
And then after that, after 10, you press, you do a line like this to say, okay, now this is where my median is going to be, and then you highlight also 11.
Okay, that means my Q2 is going to be between
position number 10 and position number 11 again.
Yeah.
So who are the people who are occupying the position number 10 and position number 11?
32 and 32.
So we have 32 and what then? 32.
Yeah.
Hey, we're lucky. Divide by 2.
Okay, we're gonna have Q. It's Q2 is equal to
32 plus 32.
32 plus 32. My pen is a little bit jimmy, but then let me bring in 2 pens, you guys. That's what you must do in exam. Hey,
Okay.
Okay, my pen is malfunctioning a little bit.
Okay. We're waiting for it, guys.
Okay, it is back.
Okay. It's Q2. Q is 32 plus 32.
Q2 is equal to 32 plus 32.
Yeah, divided by 2.
Divided by 2.
So you get 32, your answer.
Yeah. The answer is equal to 32.
Sure.
That is our median.
Yeah, that's going to be our median.
Yeah.
Okay, we can play the song and then put this on Gemini, and then you can fix your pen while we're also doing the need. Because it seems as if the pen is giving you a problem. So while we're doing this, we're going to take the 2 questions of the mean and the median and put them together on the senior mark and then play the song while we're doing.
Okay.
La la la, we talking about the data today. Data today. The 5-number summary, let's pave the way. Pave the way. Minimum to maximum, stretch it on the line. Stretch it on the line. First step, sort the data lowest to the high. Lowest to the high. Minimum Q1, Q3, maximum in the sky. Maximum in the sky. Maximum in the sky. Q2 is the median, cutting down the middle. Down the middle. But watch the total count. Here comes the riddle. Here comes the riddle. Here comes the riddle. Count the numbers up. Is it odd or is it even? Odd or even. If the data is odd, the median is breathing. Median is breathing. It's right there in the list. A real data point. Real data point. If the data is even, let's not disappoint. Not disappoint. Take the middle two, add and divide by 2. Divide by 2. It's not part of the original, it's a number brand new. Number brand new. Draw the box and whisker, let the diagram speak. Diagram speak. We're looking for the skewness little peak. A little peak. If the mean is greater than Q2, pull to the right. Pull to the right. That's positively skewed, stepping in the light. If the mean is less than Q2, changing up the pace. Changing up the pace. Negatively skewed, shifting left in the space. I stress, just look at the box. Look at the box. If Q3 minus Q2 is a much longer ride. Positively skewed, right whisker stretching wide. Minimum, min. Quarter 1, Q1. Median, Q2. Quarter 3, Q3. Maximum, max. Odd is in the data, even is between. Mean greater than median. Pull to the right, lock it in sharp.
Listen to our signal
Marking
marker.
breakdown. Question 1.1.
Let's see how
Median
to do.
temperature. Correct. Q_2 caret, text, th, equals, frac 1, 2, n plus 1 equals, frac 1, 2, 20, plus 1 equals 10, 5, and, frac 32 plus 32, 2, equals 32, a, ca1 instead of, frac n plus 1, 2. You correctly identified the 10th and 11th terms from the ordered dataset, both are 32, and correctly calculated the median as 32 caret, circ, text, C. Question 1.2.1. Mean temperature. Correct. Bar x equals frac 629, 20, and bar x equals 31, 45 caret, circ, text, C, Ca, A. Reason. The total sum of all 20 temperature values is correctly at text, C, with proper SI unit notation. Coach's summary. What you did well. You accurately extracted data from the sorted table and correctly computed both the median and the arithmetic mean with proper decimal formatting and units. Actionable tip. When writing down the position formula for quartiles or medians, remember to use frac n plus 1, 2, rather than frac 1, 2, n plus 1 to maintain standard CAPS formula conventions and avoid potential formula penalty marks.
We're going to move on. The cinema is done. So we're going to continue with question 4. With 1.3.
Yeah.
What are we looking for here?
Okay, let's go back to our 1.3, going back.
1.2.3.
Yeah, we're determining the interquartile range,
The interquartile rate, you know,
which is the IQR.
which is the IQR. No? Now we've already done the hard one because we've already got Q2. Remember, the median we already got it.
Yeah.
Now the data is simple. Now it's divided into 2 equal parts.
Yeah.
10 before Q2 and then 10 after Q2.
Yeah.
So this one we can do it like because the data is no longer that big.
Yeah.
We can say in the beginning and in the end.
Yeah.
Beginning and in the end. Now, how many data do you have? Is it odd or even? So that we know which is it Q2 going to Q1 going to be part or not part of the data.
It's even.
It's even. So is it going to be part of the data or not part of the data?
It's not going to be part of. It's not going to be part of.
It's not going to be part of the data. No? Okay, so we're expected to be in between 2 values. No?
Yeah.
We're just going to be value number 4 and value number 5, or value number 5 and value number
This
6.
one.
Okay, let's
goes
check
with
it.
This one.
Mm.
And then this one
Mm.
goes with this one.
Yeah, and it's between 5 and 6. Yeah.
This one goes with this one.
Mm.
This one goes with this one.
Mm.
So that means it's gonna be between 26 and 28.
Yeah, this is how we prefer to do it in a personal. Even if it was the median we prefer to do it this way, because let us make a mistake of calculating the position and stop there. You saw that we got the position as 10,5, and let us will stop there and say that's Q2. So we prefer to say cancel the beginning end. Beginning end. So what did you get for those two values that we have to add?
We're gonna have Q1 is equaling to plus 28
It's 27 answer. No?
divided by 2. It's 28. 27.
Yeah, 27 answer.
27. Now we're gonna look for Q3.
Called Q3. Yeah, exactly the same way.
Gonna go back to our data, do the cancel method.
Yeah.
Cancel method. We're gonna have 32.
Yeah.
34 goes with 38. Then you have 35, which goes with 37. Then that means our data is gonna be between 36 and 37.
36 and 37.
Yeah.
So this one is going to give us 36,5.
36,5.
Yeah, but just double check. Like my calculator is working fine, actually.
Today is functioning, it's not malfunctioning.
Yeah, remember, I'm sure, like, if it was 36 plus 36, you're going to get 36. But now it's 36 plus 37. So it means the only thing that we're dividing is the 1. The only difference is the 1. Because 37 has 36 plus 36, and then it has 1.
Okay.
So even this one, I did it exactly that. So
Go to our interquartile range formula,
yeah.
which is I, Q, R is equaling to Q3
Q3
minus Q1.
minus Q1.
Our Q3 is
36,5
36.5
minus 27
minus 27. By which I'm gonna go to my calculator.
How you can do it? You do this one. 36,5
Yeah,
minus 27.
yeah,
It's 9,5.
9.5.
I'm joking. Check.
Yeah, it's 9.5. It's 9.5.
No, my calculator is working.
Yeah, it's not malfunctioning. It's working better than mine. So do we put this one on our senior mark or do we? Because there's 3 marks this one.
Yeah, we can put it on the senior. What is the next question? Let's check the next
Next
question.
question, we drain the box and a whisker diagram.
Okay, let's put this one on the senior marker, and then while we do that, let's dance a little bit.
Okay, so let me copy this thing and then play our song.
Yeah.
On this one, we still play the same song or do we play the
Yeah,
same
we play the same song.
Data today. The 5-number summary. Let's pave the way. Sort the data lowest to the high. Lowest to the high. Minimum Q1, Q3, maximum in the sky. Maximum in the sky. Maximum in the sky. Q2 is the median, cutting down the middle.
Marking
Down the
breakdown.
middle.
Question
But watch the total
1.2.3.
count.
Interquartile range. Correct. Q_1 equals frac 26 plus 28, 2 equals 27, M, A. Correct. Q_3 equals frac 36 plus 37, 2 equals 36, 5, M, A. Reason. You correctly identified the upper half of the data and calculated the third quartile, Q_3, as 36, 5. Correct. Text, IQR, equals Q_3 Q_1 equals 36, 5 minus 27 equals 9, 5, CA, A. Reason. The formula and final subtraction are correctly executed to yield 9, 5. Coach's summary. What you did well. Excellent split of the dataset into lower and upper halves. Keep up the clear and structured layout for statistics problems. Writing out the formula and sub-steps explicitly guarantees full marks in your exams.
Yeah, you got it correct, guys. Let's move on. We're going to draw.
Yeah,
We need to draw the box and diagram. Whiskers.
yeah.
So, do you have a number line, Ito?
I do have a number line.
Okay. So you have the minimum value, also have the maximum value.
Yep.
So now we don't start there. When do we start?
Start with our box
With
first.
our box, which has to deal with what?
Q1, Q2, and Q3.
It deals with the quartiles. Okay.
Okay. So then our Q1, come on, what was our Q1?
It's 27.
Q1 is 27. That means it's going to be between 25 and 30, but then it's going to be a little bit closer to 30. Or it's going to be in the middle, I think.
Not necessarily, you know, it's much closer than like to 30. It's closer to 25. Because
That's why I say it's in the middle.
if it was 27,
I guess 25, 26,
yeah,
27, 28,
yeah.
29, yeah.
Which was going to be in the middle. It's just in the middle, but more towards
yeah.
more towards 25, yeah.
A little bit closer to 30, this one. Cap. Is it easy? So then let me draw a straight line for it. I don't want my examiner to penalize me again. So it's going to be a little bit closer to this one. Then we have 36.5. Okay, so then you can correct here. These lines are a little bit long. They are not correlating to each other. Is it correlating? Yeah, they are not correlating. They are not same.
They're not aligned to each other.
They are not aligned.
There's a long one, there's a short one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so then we're going to connect our box. Box connected successfully.
Okay.
Yeah. So then now we're going to need our whiskers now.
Okay.
So in our whiskers can the whiskers give min and max, né?
It's minimum
And max. So then our minimum is 22.
Yeah.
So then 22 is
Our
between 20.
minimum.
Our max is our max is 40.
It's 40, okay.
So it's gonna be straight on the thingy.
Okay.
So then 40 is here. Let's connect it. Yes, box of whisker diagram true.
It's fine.
Yeah.
You feel what you did correctly.
Yeah, this one, even the marking guideline, when he marks it,
It's
this one
going to
mark
be
is correct.
Let's check, guys. Let's see if it is going to be able to win in our senior marker.
Here comes the riddle. Here comes the riddle. Here comes the riddle. Count the numbers up. Is it odd or is it even? Odd or even. If the data is odd, the median is breathing. Median is breathing. It's right there in the list. A real data point. Real data point. If the data is even, let's not disappoint. Not disappoint. Take the middle two, add and divide by 2. Divide by 2. It's not part of the original, it's a number brand new. Number brand new. Draw the box and whisker, let the diagram speak. Diagram speak. We're looking for the skewness, tail peak. A little peak. If the mean is greater than Q2, pull to the right.
Martin breakdown. Question 1.3. Box and whisker diagram. Correct. The 5-number summary points, min equals 22, Q_1 equals 27, median equals 32, Q_3 equals 36. Reason. Your minimum dot, box boundaries, Q_1 and Q_3, median line, and maximum dot are all positioned correctly relative to the number line increments. Coach's summary. What you did well. Excellent precision in translating your 5-number summary values into an accurately scaled box and whisker plot. Actionable tip. Ensure your box edges and median line are drawn with a ruler to maintain absolute neatness in final examinations.
Okay, guys, we're going to move on to the next question. What is the next question, Ito?
Okay, so then let us go back to our next question. Mr. didn't clap hands for me.
Oh, hey, Ito, guys, yeah. He's killing it.
Okay, so then the next one says the tourism sector claims that 20% of the resort centers recorded temperature too hot for tourist activities. Determine the minimum recorded temperature that satisfies the above claim.
Okay, what is the question? That was supposed to, okay, please say.
Says the tourism sector claims that 20% of the resort centers recorded temperature too hot for the tourist activities.
Yeah.
Determine the minimum recorded temperature that satisfies the above claim.
Okay, so what will be a temperature that we consider it to be too hot? That's what they're asking us here.
Yeah.
So which ones do you think we should consider them to be too hot?
The one here for degrees Celsius.
Yeah, we have starting from 37. 37 is too hot, 38 is too hot, 39, we have 39. 39 is too hot, and then 40 is also what? It's also too hot, yeah. So our 35 now are still too hot, Mara, we can still do activities. No? Yeah.
So then 37 to 40 degrees Celsius.
Yeah, and then remember, we want to check what is it true what they're saying, yeah, man.
Yeah.
So let's say we consider starting from 36, yeah, to be too hot. So we say 36, 37, 37 again.
Yeah.
37, yeah, and then
Okay, it's 36.
35 is there.
Yeah, 35 is there.
Okay, let's say 35, 36, 37, 30.
35, 36,
37,
37,
yeah.
30. Does it repeat?
37 is repeating, yeah.
37 repeats itself 2 times.
Yeah.
37, 38,
Yeah,
39,
yeah.
and 40.
And 40, yeah. Okay, now if you check these values, how many values are there that we consider to have to be extremely too hot for the activities?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 values.
7 values. So we're going to say 7 all over 20, no? Multiplied by 100, so that we can check if that whatever it is that they're saying is true. Because they say they are about 20% of the temperature, which is going to be too much, if I understood correctly your question.
Yeah, 7 all over 20 multiplied by 100.
Yeah.
Okay, it's 7 divided by 20 multiplied by 100. It's 35.
It's 35%.
Yeah.
So 35% of the temperatures. Now let's try to check. Can you repeat the question again? Let me try to understand it.
Says the tourism sector claims that 20% of the resort centers recorded temperature too hot for the tourist activities.
Yeah.
That means 20% of the data recorded that is too hot.
Okay. And then what I get, okay, that's what they were saying, but they were telling us which 20%. So 20%, now we want to know what is 20% of 20. How many values are dead? So not the way we did it. Sorry guys about that one. I didn't understand the question. It happens sometimes, which is the question is not understood.
Yeah.
So basically they're saying here, this is what they're telling to know what are those values.
Yeah.
And then how many values are we talking about? Now, according to my calculation, it says which 4 values satisfies this condition.
Yeah.
So we're going to check which are those 4, and then we're going to talk about those. So if you say 20 all over 100,
Yeah, 20 all over 100.
all over 100 multiplied by 20, yeah?
20 all over 100 multiplied by 20.
Yeah, it gives us how many values?
Let me check. Calculate. 20 divided by 100 multiplied by
The total number is n.
yeah,
Yeah.
multiplied by the 20.
Yeah, it gives us 4 values.
That gives us 4 values.
Yeah, so we are going to check how many values are there. Again, we are going at 20%.
Yeah.
So 20%, it starts from 37.
Starts from 37,
and then it says
38, 39,
and 40. Yeah, so it's 37,
38, 39,
39,
and
40. Okay, now we should try to answer exactly what they ask us. Remember, our examiner said which we should answer what is it that they're asking us. Let's go and check what is it that you're asking us here.
So we should determine the minimum recorded temperature that satisfies the above claim.
Okay, what are the temperatures? So the temperatures, you'll tell them, therefore, temperatures satisfying this condition is 37, 38.
Therefore,
Temperatures, yeah,
temperatures
satisfying this condition, yeah.
satisfying
Yeah,
this condition
yeah, it's 37,
is 37,
38,
38,
39,
39,
and 40.
and 40.
Okay, let's see how did it do, guys.
And 40. Okay, let's play our song.
That's positively skewed, stepping in the light. If the mean is less than Q2, changing up the pace. Changing up the pace. Negatively skewed, shifting left in the the right, lock it in sharp.
Is the senior marker ready or is
La la la, we talking about the data today. Data today. The 5-number summary, let's pave the way. Pave the way. Minimum to maximum, stretch it on the line. Stretch it on the line. First step, sort the data lowest to the high. Lowest to the high. Minimum Q1, Q3, maximum in the sky. Maximum in the sky. Maximum in the sky. Q2 is the median, cutting down the middle.
Marking breakdown. Question 1.4. Minimum temperature for the top 20%. Incorrect. Partial. Frac 20, 100 times 20 equals 4 m. Reason. You correctly calculated that 20% 37, 38, 39, text, and 40 are Ca. Reason. While you correctly identified the top 4 value, temperatures does not isolate the minimum threshold requested. Socratic correction. Logical flaw. You found the correct number of centers, 4, and even identified the correct upper values, but you listed a group of temperatures instead of giving a single minimum value. Socratic question. Looking at the 4 highest temperatures you listed, 37, 38, 39, and 40, which specific temperature?
guys, you heard it. We were killed by the ink. Yeah, which one is the minimum? That is what?
It's 37.
It's 37, the minimum, the lowest. Huh? So our minimum was supposed to be what? To be 37. How many marks was this thing?
It's 2 marks.
2 marks. How many marks did he give us? We got something at least.
We got 1.
We got one at least. Guys, we didn't get this. It's English. It's
Yeah.
okay.
As per nature, we didn't get the English very well. So this was our last question. We have the question for the people to do on chat. Yeah.
Do you have anyone on chat? If you don't have anyone on chat, this is where we're going to stop. Is it?
Yeah.
Just check if there's anyone.
Okay, there's no one in chat, and then
on
time.
TikTok. Yeah.
Yeah, time is gone.
The time is gone.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, we'll see each other on Monday. That are not